In this video I will show you how to install multiple versions of Node, and the easiest way is by using the NVM version manager. First of all, open command prompt and check whether Node is installed or not. You can see Node is not installed, so we install it via NVM manager. Go to Google and search for download NVM and press enter. Then click on link pointing to GitHub site. Scroll down and click on Download Now button. Scroll down and click on NVM Setup exe link. Then install this file. Then open a command prompt as administrator. Type NVM-V and press enter. It shows the version of NVM installed. But you can see none of the Node is installed, so let's install them. First of all, check all available Node. Now let's install them. For now, I will install 16.20.0 version with the NVM install followed by version name. It is downloading and installing that particular version. Type NVM list to get installed Node. Suppose now to install another version, type NVM install followed by Node version. Here I will install 18.18.0 version. It will download and install that version to the computer. Again, you can use NVM list to display all installed Node version. I want to use 16.20.0 version, so type NVM use 16.20.0 and press enter. Now currently I am using that version. If you want to switch to another version, you can use same command with different version name. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.